fuel prices, crude oil, and inflation. Hello, everyone. Today, we will understand why petrol and diesel prices are increasing and why this topic is very important for UPSC economy preparation. Recently, fuel prices increased again because global crude oil prices are rising due to tensions in West Asia. Now, the first thing to understand is what is crude oil? Crude oil is an unrefined natural resource used to produce petrol, diesel, aviation fuel, and many industrial products. India imports a large amount of crude oil from other countries. This makes India vulnerable to global price fluctuations. An important term here is Brent crude. Brent crude is an international benchmark used to determine global oil prices. When global crude prices rise, India's import bill also rises. Now, let us understand how this affects the Indian economy. Higher fuel prices increase transportation costs. Transportation costs increase the prices of vegetables, food items, and manufactured goods. This leads to inflation. Inflation means a general rise in prices across the economy. Another important UPSC concept is imported inflation. Imported inflation happens when rising prices in global markets increase domestic prices inside India. Now, let us connect this with international relations. West Asia is one of the most important energy producing regions in the world. Any instability there can affect global energy supply. This is why energy security becomes very important for India. Energy security means uninterrupted access to affordable energy resources. India is now focusing on renewable energy, ethanol blending, electric mobility, and strategic petroleum reserves to reduce dependence on imports. For UPSC mains, remember this line. Energy security is not only an economic issue but also a strategic and geopolitical concern for India. To learn more, download the EduRev app. Thank you.